Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm super duper excited to be using my new 5-in-1 styler by Wavy Talk. No, this is not sponsored. But anyway, before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss the upload from your girl. Alright, so let's jump right in. Okay y'all, so I'm about to blow out my hair, and I know my ends are ate up, but that's okay because I am going to be kind of dusting them or doing what I can do with my scissors and stuff. So anyway, so let's jump right in. So I'm doing an unboxing with y'all because I didn't even use this product, but yeah. Real cute. I love me some pink. I'm trying to see which one I'm going to use. I think I'm gonna start off with the paddle brush to blow it out, and I'm gonna do the round brush. So I just washed my hair, as y'all can tell. So this thing is a 5-in-1 hot air brush kit, and let me see what I'm going to be using. It comes with a round brush, a concentrated nozzle, a heat resistant glove, a flannel bag. You also have an oval brush, a paddle brush, and a diffuser, and you have some salon clips. It comes with this, and you can change it with a different type of whatever you want to use with it. So it comes with a round brush, concentrated nozzle, a heat resistant glove, a flannel bag, oval brush, a paddle brush, and a diffuser, and you have some salon clips. Alright, so let me take off my ring, and let me go ahead and take this down. So I'm gonna be using Not Your Mother's Bond and Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all are crazy. Hold on, cause I can't take myself serious right now with this twist right now. So let me go ahead and pull this up, cause Alright, so you're gonna lock it in place that way, but to release it, you're gonna press this button and it releases. So instead of spraying it, well, of course I'm gonna spray it, but instead of putting it directly on my hair, I love to do it like this. About this much, the ends. Like this. For some added shine, I'm going to be using the We hair oil. No, we ain't doing that. we can't do that. That smell is awful. It's a crunch. Very, very dusty. Need to be clipped so badly. Y'all, these ends are so bad. Like, see that? Girl, I look so crazy. But anyway, we're on our last piece. So let's get to it. Just basically, I'm dusting them. Alright y'all, so I'm back, and my hair feels so much better to brush through without no crunches or nothing. Ends look way better than what they looked before. I know that I need to go to a professional to get them really like a cut, but this will do for right now, so I can do my styles, because I can't do no styles like this, honestly. Well, here are the final results. This is about a few days later that I finally got back on camera. I did do a bend to knot and twist situation. So this is what it look like. So this is what I've been just trying to just do, little simple styles that I actually like. But to be honest, I don't like anything on my hair right now because it's not giving what it gave 5 years ago. But I already knew that anyway. But my hair needs a healthy start. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so do not miss the upload when your girl posts. Alright, I will catch you on my next one. Bye.